Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't miss the opportunity to finish fourth and go Champions League as they lose 2-0 against Newcastle. Newcastle outplay Arsenal for St James Park from start of the match to the finish, and 2 goals for Ben White. So Ben White on our own goal, then Gumares can kill the game. Then after the match, for media sets, they come they interview Mikel Arteta, they ask and say how he go take assess the match. So Baba come they talk say Arsenal we not really play close to the level of a side where they fight for Champions League. Like so we didn't play anything. We were lackadaisical with the ball. Like in the very disappointed with the way we take set up. Like we didn't do anything at all. In short, say Newcastle were 100 times better than Arsenal because we offered nothing. Like he was very disappointed. Like we said when we watch the match, we don't say we said the disappointment for our face, because when you watch the match, you will see say Arsenal no play anything from the start. Newcastle wey be say they no dey play for anything, and they don't get more hunger. Arsenal will go to get misplaced passes, you don't even keep possession for like 5 minutes at least, or 3 minutes no even keep possession before you know Newcastle don't collect the ball. We say we sabi play from the back, we not going to play from the back again because Newcastle just pack like 4 or 3 players before that our back. They ready for Ramsey to drop the ball. Like they just give us rush hour, we don't know what we do again. So just the unfortunate, and what Tottenham Hotspur they pray for. Make Newcastle collect points, and many points. Don't talk and say they see Arsenal dropping points for this Newcastle one, because Newcastle is a resurgent side. All of us we know say the game go tough, but at least we see the hope say Arsenal will get the better firepower to even defeat them, because some of Newcastle key players no even start to get. Even this Callum Wilson self wey score the first goal, wey do a ginger before Ben White can do own goal. That one self he never play for a very long time. Don't go injury for long, come back play just 22 minutes before they come unleash him against Arsenal. Like a lot of things went wrong. Yeah, you know if you hold one thing say okay now this person cause him, or now that person cause him. Now collective messing up. Everybody that is the short. After the full match go, I don't even get the ginger to come analyze anything. Like so we'll make everybody just go sleep at bed because we no try. So our Champions League hopes just go up in smoke. Europa League we left with now. Because there's no juju, nothing we do again, nothing. Because there is no way we Norwich go beat Tottenham Hotspur, no fit happen. So win or draw, Spurs don't qualify, because if Spurs draw, we win. Last we go end up the same point, and they get massive goal difference with us. And what will be the guarantee so we go even win our last match against Everton? We say Everton self they will fight to come up for that relegation battle. What will be the guarantee? Now we just do ourselves. I'm more the good champions in Europa League now. Then another comment we can scatter social media, we can scatter the media arena, and the comments we Granit Xhaka can make after the match again, because they can interview Xhaka, but they ask him say I ain't they see the match and wetin make Arsenal no turn up on the day we say everybody expects them to turn up. So Baba can talk say everything now with the mindset of the players. So number one be say the players not listen to the advice and instruction with the coaches say make them do. But that's why the players don't feel to step up. Say no matter your age, whether it be 18 or whether it be 19, whether it be 30, if coaches say make you do this thing, you're supposed to do, and say we are nowhere close to the quality of the players who want to go Champions League. Say as we do like this, we no deserve to go Champions League, we don't deserve to go Europa League. Like we are not good enough. Like Xhaka talk plenty things. Come talk say Arsenal need players with balls. You know you have to get the balls, the cojones to come here, come play again. That is what we need. If you don't say you know they fit, or you they shy, or you they nervous, you don't get the ginger, stay your house. No come outside. You about all the yarn doors, all the talk plenty, all the para, all the talk again. So at the end of the day, many pundits upon the para say why Xhaka gonna talk that kind of thing. The thing no sits down with a lot of people. Like Xhaka just come outside, scatter everywhere, let the whole world know say the players no play to the instruction of the manager. Manager say make una do A, una go dey do B. And who him they talk about, we don't really know, because Xhaka no mention any names. Just come outside, just drop a bogus statement, just attack everybody. Forgetting say himself they inclusive as part of the team members. Well, it is what it is. At the same time, when they ask Arteta for media settings, say whether he regrets not buying anybody for January, because normal as in lose like this now, many people call it talk about that January again, say Arteta no buy players for January, say that one of the reasons why it happened like this. So but back on talk, say we did what we could, you get, with what we were allowed to do. Now the only short response we didn't give. So all those people they say we don't buy players for January, that's why injury. Arteta can talk, say they still get many injury concerns. Some players not 100% fit, but you know hide for injury. I say normal in go come for this media setting when they defend the players, but this one we dem do yesterday against Newcastle, it is a bitter pill to swallow. It's very hard to swallow. Like it's very hard to defend anybody. Say it is what it is. They don't do anyhow and they say anyhow now. So everybody they hope say may not wish efforts be stuff now also. We no fear happen. You no fear happen. You get with the hunger we have on the point side get all those song cane and the way they go take trash no wishing. It go be like film. Then at the same time, they ask Arteta about Tomiyasu injury, because Tomiyasu, I don't understand that a niggling muscular injury. It's just a reoccur. I don't just understand. I don't know. So because also well, see they will assess the guys. After the assessments, they will know whether they fit to play next match or how pre-season will be. You know, they will share assess her. That Tomiyasu and that Saint Maximin won't carry the guy around, as in won't finish the guy life. That's why the guy can't get an injury, can't throw in Cedric Suarez. Newcastle, they really finish us like they were too good on the night. See Newcastle of yesterday. You see the records yesterday now, they don't see our record. You can say in the last 18 games we beat them 17 times. In the last this one, we beat them this one. In the last 5 games, we knock them 4. Everyone, they won't finish us. Then on some positive news, so and then they come out about Sky Sports, so they come to interview and they ask him about in contract with Arsenal. So and then they come to talk, say I think they like this now. Say if Arsenal call and say and then we need you next season, I bet sign contract. Then go run sign and you get. Say now Arsenal hand everything they get. Even though we hear say Arsenal they close to agreeing a deal with him, saying nah, I want the summer don't end, they will reason the matter. So I never really know. And this lose we then lose now. You go refocus at that mind, because you get waiting me I found the reason say if you check that yesterday, we get like 2 players really above 24 years, everybody in a small league, and that is very bad. That is very bad. We still need to sign some kind of 29-year-old players, we still need to sign some kind of 28, some kind of 30. You get add experience with young stars. You don't just have everybody young. We have the average youngest players for the league. You get now we get the youngest team. It don't make sense. Say you get the youngest team, don't mean say everything will happen to you on the platter of gold. You still need some experienced players that will give you the grit. When you need that grit, when you need that tenacity, those will be the engine of the team. Then those will be flair players and they feel they younger. So next season, this they are buying model. They buy it to young stars below 23, beyond 24. You guys they mix all these people with some kind of mad experience player. Look at Real Madrid. They get a mixture of young stars and mixture of old men. You get where they make things they happen. Look at Liverpool, mixture. Look at winners. Look at people they win. How many teams they win with everybody young stars? Maybe now Ajax won't call. Even Ajax we will check their lineup with some kind of senior men waiting for that place, and they go compare their league and EPL. Their league and shit packer. You get for a year. How many teams? Even almost see the squad they Newcastle get now. See men, senior men there. How many young stars they there? I check the lineup now. How many young men they there? If they change one senior man, they bring another senior man. You will see there, see muscle every year, see build. They just do overplay us, outplay us, outmuscle us. As in, it really showed that yesterday. See they bully you, they got bully anybody, bully. We need to look at this our transfer model. Look for how to tweak it. You get make it for balance. You need to have a balanced squad. Don't be everybody just be small. You get they will bully us for air, land, everywhere. That yesterday I was not really happy at all. Then I said Bukayo Saka self come and say talk about the match. Say you know believe say we play the way we play, like first ball with the miss first ball, second ball with the miss second ball, like everything, all the duels in the match, Newcastle outdo us, as in they collect everything, shot on goal, everything where they talk positive going on in football. Newcastle now collect everything, and when you check the lineup, Newcastle no be say if you check the lineup, you no go know anybody there. And just name say unknown players you get, and the point they outgone us. See na collective failure we do that yesterday. Both Saka wey dey talk now. How many shot on goal in get? How many driving in drive? Because Saka self no dey 100% fit. Even Martinelli wey enter. That when Martinelli enter self game come change small. When he enter game change small. Other than that, nothing. Maybe this season just do end and then we just go our pre-season, we start to restructure, buy, as in add some kind of people more, some kind of experienced players. At least thank God say we still go Europe, even though we be Champions League, we still go Europa League. So some people will still agree to join us compared to when we don't go anywhere at all. So that one still makes sense more. Then you're right, don't come outside, call the blast Granny Xhaka about the comments we Baba the talk. So yeah, right, can you talk? See that comment we Xhaka makes, that comment go upset a lot of people. Like you don't come outside and make that kind of statement. This statement that's something we say we go there for dressing room, the drop arm. Say some people know why not do this waiting coach they talk. Now nobody say you come outside for me that set they talk say they don't follow the coach instruction, and some people they were not ready for the match. We don't get the cojones, we don't get the balls. So come play for this kind of match. If you are nervous, stay at home, don't near here. You know all those kind yao statement. Say that's in a strange interview. Say I don't know whether an annoyance make sure I can make that interview. Say no, just understand those kind of sweet, but those are the things you don't come outside in the open and say, because they put all your team members in bad light. You come like say they exclude yourself. So now you be the person who can't get the ginger to come play. I be the rest will they stay out. You know, make sense. You're not supposed to make that statement at all. At the same time, even Gary Neville himself when they echo waiting in right, they talk on the blast Granny Xhaka when they talk say you wait, they talk say people don't get the coherence, they're not they ready. You never let the team down for this season many times. You go call them a red card. Yes, you can't leave the team where they suffer. You don't get the mouth, you don't get the audacity to come outside there when they talk say people know they're ready for the match. You wait, you play for the match. How many shots on goal you wipe? How many things you do positively for the match? Everybody now feel now collectively. Don't be say you can't separate yourself and say him no really know whether Xhaka dey blast the young players. Say they know they ready. I be who in the blast wrong God because you don't mention anybody name. So who are you talking to? Who are you referring to? Is it for call name now? And for you not to call name, you're going to make other players the para because you can't be like saying now them they talk to they talk to everybody. Say it don't make sense as a senior player will be. What do you even do positively for the match? Just the more I beg, more no they cry over spilled milk, Jerry. Then on another news, so Real Betis players they crowdfund for Bellerin. They don't come out for online because they beg me people donate money. Say they want me their team buy Bellerin from Arsenal because for what the year they don't get the financial muscle to collect Bellerin from Arsenal, and Bellerin don't tell them say one pledge in future for that place. Then say one making stay. So then they crowdfund where people will donate money so that they go fit pay Arsenal for the guy or more. This one are very strange something. I don't think say I don't hear them before. So now because they really need the guy, well, I wish about the person that endeavor because Arsenal don't send them at all. See the one they reduce price. Any amount to Arsenal talk, that's so it will be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that you will get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. This is CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Game out.